So we have this next question, integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 f of x positive f of negative x times g of x negative g of negative x times dx. You will have to integrate this and find out the right choices. So you can pause the video and work it out, and then when we come back, let's see what the correct solution is. Okay, I hope you all have got the right choice. So let's work this question out. So let me just take I to be equal to integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 f of x positive f of negative x times g of x negative g of negative x times dx. So let me take phi of x to be equal to f of x positive f of negative x multiplied with g of x negative g of negative x. Now let me substitute x to be equal to negative x. So you have phi of negative x to be equal to, this is f of negative x. This is, when you substitute x equal to negative x, this is going to become f of x. And this is g of negative x. When you substitute x is equal to negative x, this is going to become g of x. So this can be rewritten as f of x positive f of negative x times, I need to take a negative sign, so I'll take a negative sign out and rewrite this as g of x negative of g of negative x. Now what is this equal to? This is nothing but our starting point, a of x. Now you compare this with this. Now since phi of negative x is equal to negative phi of x, this means phi of x is an odd function. Okay, so this in turn would mean integral negative pi over 2 to pi over 2 phi of x times dx will be equal to 0. So go over here and check the right solution. Is it a 0? Yes, it is. So that is the final value for this question. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.